welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel Chanel and this is the Glow Experience. Thank you guys for my returning viewers. For all of my new viewers, I would appreciate it if you guys go ahead and just take this moment and hit that red subscribe button as well as that ring bell button so you all can be notified every time that I post a new video. In today's video, it's gonna be pretty short. This is a long overdue video. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that back in December I posted a video of how I make my custom made closure wig units. This video is the install of that wig unit. I would like to forewarn you all that the quality on this video is not the best quality. I filmed this video before I got my MacBook, so I just used the camera that I had available on hand. I hope that you guys are still able to follow along with it and you like the results of the video. Once again, this is the video with the closure, the 20-inch closure, and the 3 bundles, 20-inch bundles of the deep wave that I made into a custom unit for my clients. All right, thank you guys for watching. Alrighty guys, so first thing you're going to see me do in this section of the video is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to melt down the lace for the closure. I'm going in with my Gotta Be Glue Free spray that they're in a yellow can. I'm going to do 2 coats of the spray and then I'm going to go in with the blow dryer and make sure that it gets nice and tacky. Once it's to my satisfaction, I'll go back through with the Got to Be Glue gel in the black bottle, the clear one. I'll go ahead and blow dry that as well until it gets clear and dry and nice and tacky as well, and I'll lay the lace over that and then tie it down with the satin wrap for it to lay and dry even more. Alrighty guys, I have sectioned off the baby hairs that came pre-made in the closure just so that I can know what I'm cutting off as baby hairs, and you see me going in with the satin wrap that I do sell on my website. These wraps are $7. We're just going to tie that around and lay down that lace, make sure that it's nice and secure and in place. This wig unit I did sew down to my client's head, so the lace was melted down to her forehead, or melted down to her forehead, and then I just sewed the perimeter of the wig all the way around. Alrighty, I have reached the end of the sewing process. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go through with my razor, and I'm just going to cut off that lace. Right now I'm just going ahead and brushing back some of the flyaways and making sure that I section off that baby hair nice and neat so that I can know exactly what not to cut and what to cut. So there's my razor that I'm going to be using. Whenever you cut your lace of your unit, you want to make sure that you go in a zigzag motion. You do not want to go across in a straight line. When you go across in a straight line and cut the lace just straight across, that's how you get that wiggy look, and that is the look that we do not want to go for. So cutting it in the zigzag motion is just going to help the lace lay better, and it's going to melt into the skin better, giving it the simulation of your actual scalp. Alrighty, so now that lace is cut, I'm just going in with the 99% alcohol and a cotton ball, and we're just going to clean up that residue from the Gotta Be Glue spray and gel that kind of ran down her forehead during the drying process. Now I just unpinned the baby hairs that are once again pre-made into the closure, and we're going to take that same razor and I'm just going to cut those baby hairs a little short, cut it down to our liking. You don't want to leave those baby hairs long like that. It does not look natural at all. Just going to cut. And then I'm going to go in with some styling foam mousse, and we're just going to take our baby hair brush, and you're just going to swoop those edges, girl. Swoop them baby hairs. Alright, and then I'm going to tie it back down again with the satin wrap, and we're going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm also going in with the blow dryer just to give it a little bit of, help it dry better, but you're also going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to dry completely. Alright, once it's all dry, you're just going to remove that wrap. Cut any excess flyaway hairs that are unwanted and go in with your baby hair brush just to soften up those hairs a little bit and give it a more realistic look. Now I'm going to go through and spray the hair down, get it nice and wet, and off of camera I did go through with some styling foam mousse. Alright, and this is the finishing product, the wet look, guys. This hair was so cute, y'all. Go ahead. You such a man. Alrighty guys, that concludes today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Please take the time to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. If anybody has any tips or tricks or anything for me, or you have any questions about how I make my wig units, feel free to comment that below as well. Once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that ring bell button. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.